Within this division, we use cutting-edge tools and technologies to gain what I like to call genomic intelligence on pathogens and other microbes. And a lot of our energy and effort has been on pathogens, and especially the ones that cause serious infectious diseases. But these pathogens themselves, they live in their own universe, their own ecosystems, what we call the microbiome.
Microbiome is like a society of microbes which can be found everywhere, like in your mouth, your nose, under your fingernails. Sometimes they can affect our mental health, like Alzheimer's and depressions. But on the other hand, they can protect our body from other pathogens. They can educate our immune system. Also, they can help us uptake the nutrients.
In addition to looking at someone's microbiome and characterizing everything that's there on a very general level, what we can also do is use other lab methods and analysis tools to really zero in on some of those organisms that we know can pose a potential health risk if they get into the wrong places.
Because by doing that, we're going to be able to help physicians better understand what's going on inside their patients. A great example of this is patients that are going through cancer treatments are really causing severe impacts to their microbiome. So we're working very closely with clinicians and researchers at the City of Hope to help them understand what's going on with their patients, help them understand how to get them back to a healthier state by providing information about the microbiome of their patients. This is a big data science, and it does take these big data approaches for us to even ask the right questions and now really begin to understand and answer those questions.
The Chime platform was initially designed to support marker gene studies of microbiomes, such as 16S ribosomal RNA studies. So one of the big problems that people ran into that motivated the development of this software was dealing with the vast quantities of data that are generated and that are used to analyze the microbiome. Chime handles the end-to-end microbiome analysis. So it starts with the raw sequencing data that the user gets off an instrument and takes them through publication quality graphics and visualizations, greatly simplifying that process for the researcher.
As we're really advancing science in so many ways and these amazing new technologies to look beyond the stars, more so than we ever have before, we're actually able to look down in much smaller universes as well. And we're really starting to learn that we really live in a microbial universe, and we're trying to figure out how best to do that and how much that affects us and how we can survive and thrive in this universe. And the technology is finally in a place now where we can actually make great gains in this microbial science.